If you have been thinking about growing useful herbs at home, learning more about traditional plants, or creating a more diverse garden, you may be wondering whether the Medicinal Garden Kit is worth buying. In this review, I want to show you exactly what you will receive, the main reasons I believe this kit may be worth considering, and who it is best suited for. I prepared this review using the information currently published on the official product page. I am not presenting these plants as replacements for medications, medical care, or proven treatments. What you are purchasing is a collection of seeds, educational guides, and access to support. I also want to be completely transparent with you. If you decide to purchase the Medicinal Garden Kit, please use my link in the first comment below this video. I may receive a commission from your purchase, which helps me maintain this channel and continue producing reviews like this one. Using my link will not increase the price you pay for the product. Before I explain what you will receive, let me introduce the person behind the concept. The Medicinal Garden Kit was created and curated by Nicole Apelian, Ph.D., a biologist, herbalist, survival skills instructor, and mother. Nicole earned her degree in biology from McGill University. According to her account, she further developed her knowledge of herbs while living in the Kalahari and spending time with members of the San community. During that experience, she learned about their traditional relationship with the land and how local plants have historically been used for food and wellness. This combination of scientific education, field experience, and herbal knowledge helped shape the idea behind the Medicinal Garden Kit. It is important to clarify that Nicole holds a Ph.D., but she is not a medical doctor. The kit and its educational guides should not be considered substitutes for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. With that background explained, let me show you exactly what you will receive inside the Medicinal Garden Kit. So, what exactly will you receive? According to the official website, the Medicinal Garden Kit contains 4,918 non-GMO seeds packaged in the United States. These seeds are divided into 10 individual packets, with one packet for each variety included in the collection. You will receive seeds for Chicory, Yarrow, California poppy, Marshmallow, Chamomile, evening primrose, Lavender, Echinacea, Calendula, and Feverfew. The first reason I believe people may choose this kit is convenience. Instead of searching for 10 different varieties, comparing multiple seed suppliers, and placing several separate orders, you will receive the entire collection in one package. That makes it easier for someone who wants to start a diverse herb garden, but does not know which plants to choose or where to find them. The variety is another strong point. Some of these plants are known for their colorful flowers. Others are valued for their aroma, their traditional history, or the contribution they may make to a more diverse garden. Lavender and chamomile can add fragrance. Calendula and echinacea can produce beautiful flowers. Several of the included plants may also attract bees, butterflies, and other beneficial pollinators. Even if you are primarily interested in gardening, rather than traditional herbal preparations, the kit can give you an interesting combination of colors, textures, and plant varieties to grow. The second major reason to consider this product is the educational material included with the seeds. You will receive the Herbal Medicinal Guide, From Seeds to Remedies. According to the manufacturer, this guide explains how to plant, grow, and harvest each of the 10 varieties. It also contains information about traditional preparations, such as teas, infusions, oils, salves, poultices, decoctions, and tinctures. This can be valuable, especially if you are a beginner. Buying seeds is the easy part. Understanding when to plant them, what conditions they need, how to care for the seedlings, and when to harvest the plants usually requires more research. Having that information organized in one guide may save you time and give you a clearer starting point for your garden. The third reason is the opportunity to become more self-reliant. By self-reliant, I do not mean replacing your doctor or avoiding necessary medical treatment. I mean developing the practical ability to grow, identify, harvest, and care for your own plants. There is something rewarding about preparing the soil, watching the first seedlings emerge, caring for them as they grow, and eventually harvesting plants that you cultivated yourself. For people interested in gardening, homesteading, traditional plant knowledge, preparedness, or a more hands-on lifestyle, this kit can be both a physical product and a long-term learning project. You will also receive 2 additional digital bonuses. The first is a guide about traditional uses for common household items. The second focuses on identifying wild edible plants and plants with a history of traditional use. The official website also advertises access to one-on-one support. Before purchasing, I recommend checking the current terms to understand exactly how the support works and what types of questions it covers. Another important reason to consider the kit is its refund policy. The seller currently advertises a 365-day money-back guarantee. According to the refund policy, if you are dissatisfied during the first year, you can contact the company and return the seed package to request a refund. You should keep the original packaging, your order information, and your shipping records because the return policy includes specific conditions. A refund guarantee does not mean that there will be no return shipping, waiting period, or other requirements. Now, who do I think this product is for? I believe the Medicinal Garden Kit is best suited for someone who has suitable growing space, enjoys learning about plants, and wants the convenience of receiving 10 varieties together with planting instructions. It may also appeal to someone looking for a practical gardening project that can be developed over several seasons. However, this may not be the right product for everyone. If you do not have enough space, live in a climate that is unsuitable for some of these plants, or want immediate results without planting and caring for seeds, a ready-made collection may not meet your expectations. You should also understand that germination and plant growth depend on factors such as seed storage, soil, temperature, water, sunlight, planting season, and proper care. No seed kit can reasonably guarantee that every seed will germinate, or that every plant will thrive in every region. And although these plants have histories of traditional use, natural does not automatically mean safe or appropriate for everyone. Before consuming or applying any herbal preparation, make sure that the plant has been correctly identified and speak with a qualified healthcare professional. This is especially important if you take medication, have allergies or a medical condition, or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. My final opinion is that the strongest reason to buy the Medicinal Garden Kit is not the idea of replacing a pharmacy. Its real value is the combination of convenience, variety, education, and the experience of cultivating 10 different plants from seed. If this is the type of project you would genuinely enjoy, click my link in the first comment below this video and review the current price, shipping information, bonuses, and refund conditions on the official website. Purchasing through my link will not increase your price, and your support will help me maintain this channel and continue creating honest product reviews for you.